This building has an incredible quantity of light. It is as if the building is both bigger and brighter than the same space outside. So it has a kind of concentration of light. The work, if you like, is trying to work with and against that idea. The work is about the idea that this building could be turned inside out. Leviathan is the monster with a body that's too big, kind of body that doesn't fit. So it's a kind of formless primal matter. Then I think Leviathan was used by Hobbes to describe the state. The state is, if you like, a Leviathan monster, a monster without a body, a monster that can't quite control itself. So it also, I think, describes a certain kind of psychological state that we all have, which I'm interested in pointing to. Now, the work doesn't have an answer to these questions, but what it does do, perhaps, is attempt to describe a certain condition. The object is about 38 meters tall, 100 meters long, and about 70 meters wide. It's a big structure. Attempting to deal with the full volume of this building. This building is basically a cross, a truncated cross. And I've tried to make a volume that is, if you like, a round version of that. So the building itself, the space itself, dictates the proposition. Well, of course, I chose this color red in a very particular way. It's a dark, dried blood red, and I want to make a particular association with the body. So as you go into it, the other implication, of course, is that you're going into a kind of bodily space. It's also a space that's dark. So darkness, bodily. So there are some very specific relations that I'm looking to make towards a kind of meaning. But it's not a meaning with a narrative. It's more one about a certain sensibility. And I think you have to open yourself to that.